Okay, a man who needs no introduction, Mr. Kelly Chase. Thank you so much for joining
Chaser,
us.
here you are.
Thank you for having me. Thank you guys for coming, and what a setup. It's exciting. It's going to be an exciting night.
Well, let's kind of talk about this. I mean, I've heard you in various interviews talking about this night coming together. How did this all happen?
Originally, I think we wanted to try and do our best to play a game and do our best to, raise some money for Siteman's and just kind of plug some holes and research that they had. And then I didn't, how do you just try and not make it just the same as every other alumni game you play, and nobody wanting to watch a bunch of old guys not move out there. So we decided we were going to do something really special, really cool, make two halves to the game, bring some entertainers and athletes and performers together, and I just called a few of my friends.
Well, of course I had to come over here and talk to Brett Hall, who is one of the coaches of this interesting team.
Yeah, this is, it sucks back here. It's way more fun being up there.
Would you rather be taking a couple shots?
Yeah, absolutely.
That was kind of...
shots on the ice.
What? That's what I'm saying, shots on the ice.
We're having a couple shots back here, but...
Oh, you're taking those shots already.
Everyone's having the time of their lives, and it's for a great cause. We're trying to find a cure for such a awful disease, and it doesn't pick favorites. Kelly told me he asked the doctor when he found out he had leukemia, and he goes, "Doc, how did I get it?" And he goes, "Bad luck."
Now, I know you and Chase are friends, so I'm guessing when this came up, you were like, I want to be a part of it.
Oh, absolutely. And it's not just me, it's everybody. Think about all the guys and where they're from and that never even played for the Blues. They said, we're here, we want to support our family, and that's what we are. There was something on the chalkboard once, and it said, win tonight, and we live together forever.
How cool is this that you get to stand right here by Mr. Twist? Now, we've heard the story that you were going to break Chase out. Okay, you were willing to do that in the middle of the night.
Well, of course. The only question I had for him is, you got anything hooked up? Everything was good after that. Like we've always said, we all stick together as past or present. The Alumni, National Hockey League, NHL guys, the tightest group you're going to find.
There's got to be some people over there that you want to fight.
Not single one, except for that long-haired guy that Cowboy had. I think you might have something to bone to pick with him. Dierks Bentley's got the happiest feet I've ever seen. He might be able to sing, but skate, oh my.
Oh no, you're going to call out Dierks. He's over there. I'm going to have to go get him here in a minute.
Yes, he's only a Dirk when he's skating. He'd be Dierks when he's out of wheel.
I was just talking to Tony Twist, and he said Dierks Bentley has the happiest feet I've ever seen. I don't think it was a compliment.
No, he said earlier, or maybe Coach Dan said, it says Bentley on the back, but it rides like a Prius. So that definitely was, I think that was an insult, but
I think it might have been an insult. In fact, I think he's calling you Dirk while you're playing and you're Dirks when you're singing.
Oh, right. No, Dirk is doing the best he can out there, but having a great time. It's so fun to be out with these guys.
Playing with like Dirk
Sean
Bentley.
Payton's there.
Right.
Coach Payton's. I asked him if he. I said, you're going to be on the bench with Garth Brooks and you're going to be on the bench with Tony Granato. You okay with that? He goes, I don't mind it as long as they're okay being assistant coaches. I don't care.
So I met Kelly 4 years ago. He and I have become real close. Dude, I had him talk to our team. I'm from Illinois, so coming back here was a little bit like coming home.
Yeah.
And when he gave me the dates, I was like, look, I'll be there. And I'm not really familiar with coaching. The only thing I'm familiar with is tonight's game is going to have two halves and there's a halftime. So I felt comfortable with that. The substitutions, we'll get it figured out.
I was going to say that the ice is a little bit different, but I did hear when you heard Garth Brooks was going to be with you, you said that's fine as long as he's cool being the assistant coach. So you're the head coach?
Well, listen, that's what I was told. But certainly, I'm smart enough to acquiesce to anybody who's got good ideas.
I'm right here down on the ice right now with the one, the only, the legend, Garth Brooks. What's going on, buddy?
Man, this is awesome. I love this.
What an amazing cause, though, first of all. We're here benefiting, Siteman Cancer Center.
Yeah, but it's also the sport of hockey. You're going to make one phone call and this many people show up. They're good kids.
It's pretty awesome to see all the players, the alumni on the ice at the same time. And then how do you think Dirks is going to do, by the way?
I think he's going to be fine. Anybody that's under the age of 60 is going to be fine here.
The one, the only, Dave Coulier.
Hey.
Oh my gosh.
Hi. I'm not out of breath, but I will be in a couple of seconds.
It's amazing to have you down here.
full house legend.
The important thing is we have a full house here tonight. We raised a lot of money. We're helping a lot of people, and it's just an amazing group of guys.
How's it feel to be on the ice?
Tired. I am very tired.
This has been so much fun to be a part of. Obviously, raising money for a great cause, but you get to see some of your favorite players. We've had a great time. Of course, you have all our presenting sponsors along with CarShield, so you can always check that out.
Yeah, 100% subscribe to CarShield as well.
I'm Angela Sharp.
Yeah, I'm Hayes.
Hey, we appreciate your time. Thank you so much.